The feasibility study. Not all projects will require a formal or in-depth feasibility study. For some organizations, the basic approaches could be sufficient for small or non-critical projects. A formal feasibility study will be required if the projects need significant investment and resource commitments from the sponsor or clients. A feasibility study, also known as a feasibility study report, is a formal and detailed investigation that helps determine whether a project is viable. A well-written feasibility study can help to gain the approval required to launch the project. However, the study must prove from many different perspectives that the proposed project is feasible. The feasibility report will include an executive summary, background, project summary, market feasibility, technical feasibility, organizational feasibility, financial feasibility, recommendation or conclusion, appendix and reference pages. There are 4 key appraisal areas against which a proposed project should be evaluated. The proposed project must be justifiable on technical, organizational, market, and financial grounds. Now, let's discuss these 4 key appraisal areas one by one. Technical feasibility. A project's requirements must be technically achievable. This means that any proposed solution must be capable of being implemented. If the required resources for the project are not available or cannot be procured, then the project is not technically feasible. That is why the technical feasibility may discuss the availability of materials, availability of labor, relevant manufacturing or operating process, quality assurance process, and necessary logistics to execute the proposed project. Organizational feasibility. It is not feasible when a project is technically reasonable, but does not comply with the organization's working method. The organizational feasibility evaluates whether an organization's current practices and management system complement or support the proposed project. Suppose the proposed project involves a significant change in management structure or chains of command. In that case, the organization may consider rejecting a project, even if it is financially and technically feasible. Market feasibility. Market feasibility considers whether the project can meet the requirements or actual needs of the target end users, that is, the customers. It may also cover competition analysis, end-user analysis, brief marketing plan, industry risks, and supply chain issues. Market feasibility focuses on the current and future market potential of a project. It will provide relevant and insightful information about the future outlook for the project and help the organization evaluate its potential. Financial feasibility. Every project has some costs and benefits. When the benefits exceed costs, only then projects will become financially feasible. Sometimes, more than one project alternative will have more benefits than costs. In such circumstances, organizations may need to select only the best project that will generate the maximum financial benefits compared to other project alternatives. Several methods of financial appraisal are available to evaluate projects. 4 popular methods are the payback period method, the net present value or NPV method, the discounted payback method, and the internal rate of return or IRR method.